What's up, Superhero Crypto Ninja family, bringing you another daily video where we talk about the newly listed coins on CoinMarketCap, trying to find the next 100x token amidst this bear market. Right now, Bitcoin's sitting at 19,690, so we're just under 20,000, and we've been hovering here for what seems like forever. So now is where projects are really being built. And again, this is not financial advice, but my goal is to find quality projects that exemplify world-class copywriting, design, marketing, and then we look at the tokenomics and stuff like that. So if I do rip apart your project, it's only out of love. Hopefully you guys can gain something out of this, and you can see how an angel investor evaluates projects. So basically, for the last couple days, I've been just opening tabs on the highly traded ones under these new cryptocurrencies, so the ones with the most volume. And without further ado, let's get started. So the first one up is GTRX. Check this out. So a cross-chain DEX, all-in-one app for trading, swapping, and develop Web3. Okay, so the copywriting needs a little bit of work, grammatically a little bit incorrect in terms of the English, but I do like this design. It looks really nice. So GTRX has a native platform token called GTRX Governance Token, ticker symbol 0XT. Testnet for smart chain is available on request. Okay, so yeah, the copywriting / storytelling, I call it, could use a little bit of work. This is not really selling anybody, although I do like cross-chain dexes. It's something that I probably would be investing in once Bitcoin and the rest of the cryptos hit a low, which I believe will be anywhere from 12,000, just under 12,000, but I'm going to start DCAing under 17,000. So yeah, this might get added to my list, although it doesn't look like it's that. It looks like it still needs a lot of work in terms of the prototype. See, it says releasing soon in the top right here, as well as the copywriting is not very good, and the call to action is just to join the community. So not too sure, but if they can pull off a cross-chain DEX, there's many out there already. This would be a good investment probably. Again, not financial advice. Let's see, swap at the real smart chain. Okay, so clearly this is not an English-speaking team. Swap without any slippages is good, but yeah, if you're listening to this team, please reach out to us in the description. We have an email there that you can hire us for copywriting help. So these links don't look like they're working to any of the mobile applications, but yeah, they are a little bit early. It could be a scam too. Let's see if there's a team behind this. There's actually no team, which makes me not interested in this, so we will pass on that. Next up, we have AlphaFi. So AlphaFi, all-verse integrated finance. Okay, that means universe and metaverse. We're developing a system that ties the metaverse and the universe together. Yeah, okay. AlphaVerse, a marketplace where users can buy, sell, and exchange actual goods using NFT currencies. AlphaPay. So essentially, there looks like they're trying to do a lot, and whenever a team tries to do a lot, it's either a really good thing or just a really bad thing. And you can tell if it's a really good thing based on their execution of, again, world-class copy as well as design, at least to start, because everybody uses those. And if you can't capture somebody in terms of the storytelling, then the project's probably not going to go anywhere, even with the best marketing. So it doesn't look like there's their team on here, which is unfortunate as well. You guys know that we invest in quality teams and we check out their LinkedIn profiles. This one does not, even though it lists that they have a lot of partners. Let's actually click on one of these partners and see if they have an article about this partnership. Okay, yes they do, but I don't know what Pink Sale is. No idea what Pink Sale is. Let's see if there's one. Yahoo, not clickable. Binance Chain, not clickable. So a lot of these aren't clickable. This could be a scam. Again, you got to be very aware of scams. I would say 90% of projects are scams or just like bound to fail. At least 90, if not more. Oh, here's the team. But again, look at this team. Yeah, I'm gonna invest in a company where the founder is called Jay, the CEO. No thanks. It says their head office is in Australia. It could be legit, who knows? But again, team, please add your LinkedIns, and this looks really fake. So I'm just gonna call this a scam. Pass. Next up, we have GTraX. Let's check this out. So originally this one was in Korean, so I had to change it up here to be English. So let's see if it translates. This is a very cool background. GTraX, global blockchain payments platform for global economic liberalism and economic justice. Okay, a little bit hard to understand. Again, you want to write like you're writing to your grandma, so it captures the masses. Something simple, easy to understand within the first 5 seconds. So by leveraging the advantages of blockchain, we help businesses to succeed through payment services with various currencies and low fees. Here. Looks like they're at the white paper stage, which is quite early. The wallet, just back to the page. Let's see if there's a team here. So due to the spread of 5G, so you never want to write just intro. You have a space to write like something like positive in terms of like a benefit or a problem that you're solving. So let's read this. Due to the spread of 5G internet, the world is accelerating global financial integration and economic unity. However, more than 2 billion people around the world still do not have access to banking. Okay, there's a billion projects that are trying to solve this. Again, if you are in a field where there's other projects trying to solve this, you really want to highlight at the top here what makes you different. So it's like solving the unbanked in this way would be an example. So team, if you're listening to this, hopefully that helps you guys out. Yeah, it's just all the benefits of trying to solve the unbanked. So there's also no team, so that's unfortunate. You add your team, guys. I would pass on that. Looks like a bunch of shit coins so far today. Next up, we have ShowTime Protocol. Let's check this out. Advanced sale of ShowTime. Your content will be distributed, and that will be the goods. Okay, so a lot of these don't look like native English speakers. ShowTime Protocol is the beginning of a Web3 performance. Yeah, it's just really poor English. The ShowTime Protocol is a web-based show platform that participates beyond the participation of a fandom in the show. Okay, it's like whoever is reading this is gonna get really confused just because of the grammar. It could be maybe it looks like maybe an Asian team, Chinese team maybe. So if they need help, you guys again can contact us in email in the description below. We'd like to translate it so it's in a way that actually makes sense and also no. Very bad, very bad. Okay, next up we have New World Order. This sounds good. Oh, the branding looks good so far. State, tokenized awareness. Okay, so it captures my attention. What does that mean? The New World Order DAO provides the new system for decentralized governance of civic and economic equity. Okay, still a little bit hard to understand. The design looks pretty cool. Slide. Again, don't use sliders like this because nobody. Oh, okay. So it goes with the scroll too, which is cool. All right, next scroll, we have some weird asset name. EBLC's NFTs allow us to bridge real world tangible assets like commodities to tcoins structural unit. Okay, super hard to understand what. And that's all they have. So let's see if there's a team. It's again very hard to understand. The design looks cool. It looks like they're trying to do something unique. I just don't know what. Let's see if we can. Propaganda. Public K's blockchain. There's too many like weird names here. Public K. The other one. Design looks cool. All right. Too bad. Pretty cool, but can't understand it. Just like all the other projects. Next up, we have Pre-retogeum. Hard to pronounce. Blockchain technology based P2P power supply. Okay, what does that mean? Professional 3D solutions under one. Okay, so you can clearly see that a lot of these companies might be their first time starting a company. Maybe they're not English speaking. They have no idea about storytelling. Please, every company that's listening to this, go read the book Breakthrough Advertising. Hire a world-class copywriter. They're not that expensive. Somebody who's maybe read Breakthrough Advertising, again, the grandfather, the OG of all copywriting books, and get them to upgrade your stuff. Like, you're putting money into building a website anyway. If you don't know that storytelling and copywriting is almost half of the equation, the other half being design before you even start marketing, let alone tokenomics and everything else, it's like a lot of work to do or learn. Market change. Energy market is. Seems like today all the companies are non-English speaking. So this is cool that they have their team here. Again, no LinkedIn profiles, but at least they look legit. Please add your LinkedIn profiles. I mean, probably a legit team. They have some patents here. Let's see what this is. Their patents linked to partners, so I don't know. Partners up here. Yeah, maybe just a loss in translation since it originally wasn't probably in. Unfortunate. Could be a good winner. I have no idea. Next up, we have SaucerSwap. And there's a pop-up, which again, you should probably not have. Can't even get out of this pop-up. SaucerSwap pioneering DEX on Hedera. So I guess Hedera is a chain, sort of. I would not be investing in this. There's so many other good projects in my previous videos, clearly not in this video, that we can invest in, so I will pass on that. Next up, we have MetaX. I like the name of this. Game of the Metaverse, and some weird design glitch here that's happening. This is your territory. You were born to be the king of the world. Okay, so that captures my attention at least. MetaX's background story is based on Galaxy Empire. Bit of poor copywriting there. MetaX is inspired by the magnificent interstellar colonization movement described in the Empire of the Galaxy, where mankind... Okay, a little bit of grammar issues here as well. So they're trying to capture you with story, at least, unlike the other projects, but it is a game, so that makes sense. How to break the long, dark night and welcome the light of freedom. Okay. Sounds like it sounds like a copywriter is trying to do well, and they get the idea of storytelling, but it's just a little bit of grammatic issues. Let's check out the video. All right, the video's not yet. Let's making a while for some. Oh my god, it's just a box rotating. Horrible. Highlights of the game. Yeah, there's so many other nice games. I don't know. Looks like the team is legit, but again, no LinkedIn profiles, and I don't know why they're using this really poor cartoon filter. Could be legit, but there's so many better games out there, so pass. Next up, we have... Okay, we already did this one, right? Pre-retogeum. Yeah, we already did this. So next up we have New World Order, and well, I don't know, tabs. Okay, next up we have Bitcoin e-wallet. Let's check this out. Supported in over 160 countries. BITWALLET. Okay, I don't know why the URL is byte-wallet.com. It's a little bit scammy. They do have an app and a Google thing. Let's click on this and see. Again, please open up these in a new tab. Wow, it's got a lot of reviews and ratings, so maybe this is legit. BitWallet is the fastest, simplest way for both individuals and businesses to start using Bitcoin. Okay, that's cool. Again, you want to open these up in new tabs. And again, I don't know why. Oh, I see. It's not byte-wallet.com. It's bit-wallet.com. So looks like Byte, which is kind of weird. I don't know if those reviews are legit, but it does look like it. This might be something I'll throw on the list. See if there's a team here. A Fiverr video, which I don't love. The team should be talking about... The team should have their founder in here talking about the vision and mission, but let's check out this Fiverr video. It's basically trying to, I guess, bank the unbanked. Meet some of the teams. So the teams are all listed here, but no LinkedIn profiles. So there's a lot of people on here. I would add your LinkedIn profiles for credibility. For businesses, setup fee. Okay, this is really cool. I might get my team to take a deeper dive into this. Maybe I'll contact them and see if they need any help, and we might do a deeper dive video. So leave a comment down below. Finally, we found a potential winner. Too bad the team doesn't have LinkedIn profiles, but it does look like they have traction already. Let's click on one of these Business Insider link. Yeah, so it looks like they're legit. Markets.businessinsider.com. Okay, sweet. Found a potential winner. I don't know why it took them so long to get listed. Let's check out the price. Yeah, now might be a decent time to invest. The market cap's not even on here yet, so yeah, we might have found a winner. Great. And then finally we have SarabiChain. It's kind of meme-ish. SarabiChain is a DeFi project to provide a bridge between the novelty world of cryptocurrencies and the old-fashioned financial system we are used to. The call to actions are weird. Copy contract and explore. Yeah, this looks too... Oh, NFT marketplace. Wow, this design looks good for the NFT marketplace. Is this up and running yet? We regulated NFT marketplace, and English is poor as well. There is a team. Let's click that. Okay, the team does not look legit. You're wrong, but again, cartoons, really, guys? I get it with your theme, but there's a wallet that already... Okay, the extension of Chrome doesn't work, so they're a little bit early. The design looks pretty cool. These partners, I don't know if they're real or not. None of these links are actually working. Could be a complete scam, but the design does look very cool. So maybe in the future, if they update their website, they can reach out to us and we can do a full review. Okay, so that's it today. We have one winner. This one's got a lot of traction. It's called BitWallet. Again, bit-wallet.com. Looks like byte-wallet.com. Tons of reviews on the mobile apps. Let's check out the Android just real quick. Yeah, they have 50,000 downloads. Oh, only 2 stars on the Android. So it looks like there's some issues on the Android version. The Apple version has some good reviews as well, and it looks like they have a lot of press, so they know how to gain attention. We will check out their Twitter just real quick. You also want to hop in the Discords, make sure that they're actually real people chatting in there and not just bots. They have very low followers for some reason on their Twitter, even though they have so much traction. So that's a little bit of a red flag unless they don't use their Twitter. Doesn't look like they're that active on Twitter. Well, they are active, it's just not much engagement, which is a little bit of a red flag. But I'll get my team to maybe do a deep dive if they reach out to us. All right, take care, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed that. A lot of shit coins today. Hopefully you guys learned something. Peace, stay safe, invest wisely, and let's wait for Bitcoin to dump.